Nickel chloride, NiCl2, is a compound that is 2/3 chloride ions and 1/3 nickel ions. It is a brown or green colored solid that is denser than water. The melting point of NiCl2 is 1001 degrees Celsius. The compound is used in batteries. The vapor phase co-reductions of NiCl2 with other metal halides, such as aluminum chloride by hydrogen, results in finely divided intermetallics with applications as structural materials or compounds with useful thermoelectric, magnetic, and oxidation resistance properties. It is used in the synthesis of semiconducting metal containing polymers in which the polypearl backbone has a conformational energy minimum and is nearly planar. However, it also has a negative effect on the liver. Based on research, nickel chloride is toxic, which can induce apoptosis in the liver. In terms of bonding, the compound has an ionic character with covalent bonding. Using the Pauling scale of electronegativity, nickel has an electronegativity level of 1.92 and chloride has an electronegativity level of 3.16. Because of the difference between these two values, the bond is considered a polar covalent bond. Crystal structure of NiCl2 is very similar to that of cobalt chloride and calcium chloride. This means that the structure is part of a hexagonal crystal family and a monoclinic crystal system. The crystals form together in a structure appearing like this. The phase of nickel chloride that is being observed is the Lyons compound, which is seen with a mixture of 2/3 chloride and 1/3 nickel in a temperature range from 0 to 978 degrees Celsius. Nickel chloride does not diffuse. When the nickel is refined out of the ground, it is a hexahydrate, which means it has water in it, and so it can be dehydrated through heating. If you want to learn more about nickel 2 chloride, you can make it yourself by dissolving nickel metal in a hydrochloric acid. It can also be made by reacting nickel 2 oxide, nickel 2 carbonate, or nickel 2 hydroxide with hydrochloric acid.